In this video, I will show you how to make the crispiest, fluffiest Belgian fries using the iconic double fry method and pair them with the rich, silky, homemade mayo that puts any jar to shame. The foundation of any great fries is the potato itself. Only use a starchy, floury potato. Skip the waxy varieties if you want crispy fries. Let's start with preparation. Peel each potato fully, removing any dark spots, and drop it straight into cold fresh water. This halts any oxidation. When cutting, all the fries should roughly all be the same size. For Belgian fries, this is about 1 cm thick and 5 to 10 cm long. To cut safely, place a potato on your cutting board and create a flat face. Stand the potato on that new flat surface and cut down to make 1 cm thick slabs. Then line up each slab and slice again into 1 cm fries. Put the fries again in fresh cold water and soak for at least 30 minutes. This draws out any loose surface starch, preventing the fries from clumping and browning too quickly or browning unevenly when they hit the oil. While the fries are soaking in cold water, begin heating your frying fat or oil. In Belgium, the traditional choice is filtered beef tallow for its rich, savory depth of flavor. But if you prefer to keep it vegan, a neutral high smoke point oil like sunflower oil or peanut oil works just as well. Fries are so common here in Belgium that many Belgian households keep a dedicated deep fryer, though it seems that air fryers are slowly replacing them. You can always fry in a heavy bottom pot, but I favor my electric fryer for safety and easy to set frying temperatures. After soaking, take a small amount of the fries and pat them completely dry in a towel or paper cloth. Fry the potatoes in small batches for 5 to 6 minutes in 140-degree fat or oil, just until they are cooked through but still pale in color. Drain and let them rest at room temperature. If your fries cool completely to room temperature, they will keep their shape during the second fry. While those cool, let's whip up the mayo. In a tall, narrow container, combine 1 whole egg, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour in 250 ml of neutral oil. Insert your immersion blender so the blade sits on the egg. Blend until a creamy emulsion forms, then slowly lift to draw in the remaining oil. Keep blending until you have a silky, stable mayonnaise. Back to the fries. Heat your fat or oil to 180 degrees. Only fry in small batches for 2 to 3 minutes long until they are crispy and golden brown, and season immediately with salt. And that is how you make Belgian fries, served with a tangy homemade mayo. Next time when you're making fries, try it the Belgian way, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you love this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you next time when we pair these fries with an iconic Belgian summer dish.